In this video, I'm going to show you 5 techniques I like if you're having rotator cuff pain to improve your range of motion, increase your strength, and reduce your pain. Our first technique is just going to be a tabletop slide. So you're going to take a pillowcase, you can use a blanket or a towel, and work on just sliding back and forth on a countertop or even maybe a kitchen table, something like that, kind of going back and forth. 2 to 3 sets for about 20 repetitions. If you want to make this a little harder, you can take a dumbbell or a light kettlebell, put that right in the center and work on going back and forth the same way. Again, 2 to 3 sets of maybe 10 to 20 repetitions, and that's something you can repeat several times a day. Our first exercise is going to be a scapular retraction or a band row. So what you're going to do is take a band, have it fastened over to the wall or over a door system, and you're going to pull back. As you pull back, you're really feeling your shoulder blade or your scapula come around on your ribs. Contract that, squeeze that, and hold it for around 2 seconds or so. Repeat that for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Our next exercise is going to be an external rotation. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring the elbow in and work on pulling the hand out away from the body, pulling against the band, repeating that for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. A lot of times I'll have my patients at the end hold that for maybe 1 to 2 seconds and come back. Nice, slow, and controlled. That's a great exercise to work the posterior cuff or the back portion of your shoulder to improve rotator cuff strength. Our next movement is going to be internal rotation. We're going to use that same band that's fastened. And so what you're going to do is keep the elbow in and pull the band kind of across in towards your torso. Holding that for 1 to 2 seconds, coming back out, nice, slow, and control. Repeat that for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Now you can start with a band, but if you have access to a pulley system, one of those cable pulley systems, those work really well. But again, this is just for someone that may not have access to a lot of equipment. A lot of times you can get these bands pretty inexpensive. I'll also put a link in the description for a set of these exercise bands. Our last technique is going to be a distraction stretch on the shoulder. So I'm going to grab a hold of the bottom of the table here. This can be on a chair, just whatever you're sitting on. And I'm going to lean away. And as I lean away, I really feel that stretch in my shoulder joint. I'm going to hold that for around 15 to 30 seconds and come back. Repeat that again, really feeling that in my shoulder, 15 to 30 seconds, and relax. That's something I repeat several times a day. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helps with rotator cuff pain and dysfunction. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all my content.